Understanding the phrase, silkworm, a journey through language and nature. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a really interesting topic to discuss, which is the phrase, silkworm. Now, you might be wondering, why are we talking about a worm? Well, the silkworm is not just any worm. It has a fascinating history and plays a crucial role in the production of silk. So, let's dive in and learn more about it. A silkworm is a type of caterpillar, which is the larval stage of the silk moth. The name, silkworm, is derived from the worm's ability to produce silk. These little creatures are incredibly important because they create silk threads as they prepare to transform into moths. People have been farming silkworms for thousands of years, primarily in Asia, to make silk fabric. The process of making silk starts when the silkworms spin their cocoons, using a fluid that hardens into silk fibers. After the cocoon is spun, the silk can be harvested. The fibers are then spun into threads, which can be used to make fabric. Understanding the life cycle of a silkworm is essential to comprehend how silk is made. The silkworm goes through 4 main stages. 1. Egg. The life of a silkworm starts as an egg. 2. Larva, caterpillar. Once the egg hatches, it becomes a caterpillar, also known as a silkworm. This is the stage where it produces silk. 3. Pupa, cocoon. After spinning the silk cocoon, the silkworm transforms into a pupa. 4. Moth. Finally, a moth emerges from the cocoon, completing the life cycle. Silkworms have a significant place in history and culture, especially in countries like China, where silk production began. They have been cultivated for over 5,000 years. The Silk Road, a historic trade route, was named after the lucrative silk trade. In addition to their historical significance, silkworms play a vital role in today's textile industry. Silk is still highly valued for its softness, sheen, and luxurious feel. The farming of silkworms and the production of silk provide livelihoods for many people worldwide. We hope you found this journey through the life and significance of silkworms fascinating. These tiny creatures are not just insects. They are a vital part of history, culture, and the modern textile industry. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting topics in our future videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. See you next time.